Hey guys, welcome to Kelly's Corner. Today I'm going to be showing you some highlights from my son's dinosaur party. I did the invite in a postcard style. I wanted it to look aged, almost like it was a fossil in dirt. And then here's the back. Starting outside for the decor, we did some dinosaur footprints leading up to the door. We did some cardboard signs. You can see there's a bite taken out. There's also some signs to Jurassic Park and Bedrock. Throughout the house, I had broken apart some plastic leis. You can see they're green to make it look like vines, and I kind of just hung those all over the place with some giant leaves that I made out of 12 by 12 cardstock, and I cut it out from one corner to another corner. Here's another area where I did that same kind of thing, and then I also paper mache'd a giant bone. I'm not real sure what made me think to do that, but I would not take that on again if I had it to do over. You've probably seen these balloons hanging throughout the pictures. I just did some quirky little dino faces on them. And then we also did some dinosaurs out of milk jugs. I can try and post a link to how to make these in the description below. Of course, we put little dinosaurs all over the house wherever we could. Here's the way the table looked. When you came in, you can see there's a giant volcano that we made out of expanding foam, and then we painted. We then added dinosaurs and dinosaur eggs that we made out of Easter eggs and hot glue that we also painted. And then we put that in a cardboard box with a bag over it, again, that we painted to protect it from when the volcano erupted. To make the volcano erupt, we just used a baking soda and vinegar mixture. For the silverware, I got a restaurant's to-go cup holder. I cut up some paper to make it look like grass, and then I printed out some dinosaur napkin rings. For food, we did 3 different cakes. The first was a chocolate cake with a cookie crumble and then a sugar cookie that was made to look like dinosaur bones. And then the next 2, my mother-in-law brought, one using a dinosaur cake mold. And you can see they're both dinosaurs, of course. Finally, I always try to make a special gift for my kids for their birthday. This year I made Jackson a shirt. You can see it's Jax with a little play on words. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye!